today's my last day of work. I'm super duper excited. I look a hot mess right now. Let me take this off the UPS store to send something off to be returned to the bank. And then Babe said come home with a surprise. So I'm guessing he wants coffee. I don't know. I have work in 2 hours, but I needed to get this stuff done because it's Friday, so won't be open this weekend. So woke up at like 8 o'clock this morning, had some peanut butter toast. This is my tie-dye shirt that I made last night. I made 2 of them. I definitely put too much bleach. I could have gone away with using a little bit less, but I like the way it came out. I walked to the mailbox this morning and I got my pink lily bralette in the mail, so that was exciting. I ordered some wallflowers last night on Bath & Body Works, and I ordered more stuff from my Amazon cart. So I think I got all my orders done that I needed to get. Oh, and then I ordered, I also ordered, where am I going? I ordered sandals, not sandals, I don't know, I'm bigger sandals. I ordered 2 pairs of shoes, like sandal shoes. They're on Target. I got 2 pairs because buy one get one half off, I think. So I got the bejeweled pair that is really in right now from Target, but I got the rose gold ones. They didn't have them in the store, and I like kept checking back online, and then they came in. So I was like, heck yeah. So I got those, and then I also got they're like super lightweight. They're like croc material sandals. I have a pair of them in white, but I ordered a black pair. So I got a black pair of those sandals, and then I also ordered a shirt. It's cheetah and it says Blondie on it. It's super cute. So I'm excited. I've been ordering a lot online, just obviously reasons why I can't go in public, or like I can't go, you know, shopping. So I've been ordering online a lot, but I'm excited. So yeah, I just thought I'd vlog, say good morning to everybody. It's Friday morning. Gotta make it a good day. It's my last shift for 2 weeks. So excited. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along. I'm gonna go return some things and go to the bank. Like 5 seconds. That's what I love about Amazon returns, whether you go into Kohl's or if you go into the UPS store, which I didn't realize that this is so close to my house and my work. It's super quick. I was gonna grab Babe a coffee for my work, but our line's super long and I don't really have all the time in the world. So I think I'm just gonna go to the bank, which is inside of O'Reilly's. I love the side of town that I live on. I think I talk about it a lot. Sorry, my hair looks rough, so do I. But I love this side of my town that I live on because I feel like everything's around me. And I have Wells Fargo, which is a bank out here in Northern California, and a lot of people don't seem to bank with them, but their banks are always super far away. And I like it because it's inside of the shopping center by my house, so that's pretty cool. I just went through my closet like last week, I think it was 2 weeks ago. And then yesterday I just went through the closet and kind of organized everything. From like sweaters, cardigans, long sleeves, short sleeve. I just like organized all of them. So I was like, oh, let me just donate the clothes right here, because I keep forgetting. And I forgot to put the bag in the car. So I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get him some breakfast, because maybe that will make him happy. I don't know what he wants because he didn't say. And I kind of want a coffee from here because their iced coffee is pretty good. So we'll just, we'll do that instead.
How may I help you?
Hi, can I just get a medium iced caramel coffee?
Okay.
And then can I get 2 of your, I think they're just the sausage McMuffins with egg, just the sandwiches.
Okay.
And then I think I'll take 2 of the sausage burritos too.
You said 2 sausage McMuffins?
No, 2 sausage burritos. But yeah, to the muffins too, but I want the burritos as well. Thank you. $14. Hi. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. I just spent $14 at McDonald's. We don't ever eat here. We don't eat out anymore now we moved. We just literally cook at home every single day. What we spend our money on, but like I said, I feel like that's like so personal, but I don't know, maybe I'll do it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see one of those finance videos. I know like a lot of my friends watch my videos, so. But yeah, I love how beautiful it is. I'm so excited to enjoy the sunshine. I only work, well, I work Monday through Friday, but on the weekends it's been raining here, so I'm excited to like be out during the week and like enjoy the weather, you know what I mean? Because it's been raining out a lot on the weekends and it's not very fun. So yeah, anywho, I'm just rambling at this point. I just wanted to vlog so I never get like me time, and just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys probably tomorrow. I have work in like less than 2 hours, and today's my last shift. I close, so I will probably be vlogging this weekend. I don't know what I'm doing, probably nothing. I did laundry yesterday, and I've been holding off on laundry for so long. So that was something big that I got done, so I'm proud of myself. But yeah. Whew, I'm out of breath. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and I'm taking the cat tree out of the house. And yeah, I just got ready. I just took a couple pictures. I don't know if they're good or not. And I actually filmed or recorded an Instagram video of me getting ready. I don't really know how those work, so I literally just did like a hands-free, and then I had it on the filter that I like. So I just basically recorded it, saved each one, and I'm just gonna like upload it later and like speed it up. But I didn't know how to do it, so I was like, whatever. My camera's dying, but I'm going to get the rest of the stuff from my mom's to donate, and then I have to go to the storage unit to get all my donations out of there as well. So that's what I'm doing. I will catch up with you guys later, since my camera is dying and I didn't even know.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
I've been taking my time, trying to figure us out, 'cause you don't seem to, yeah. You've been running around, partying while I'm in doubt about how this ain't good, yeah. Late nights in the driveway, I think about what my friends say, how I'm too good to be with you, but losing you would make me blue. You're stuck in a paper town, not sure if you'll make it out, but I keep waiting for you to. Guess I'm dreaming of better days with you. Nothing is like yesterday between us two. I wish I could stay away from you, but I keep dreaming of better days with you. figure us out, but we thought it could. I've been missing your smile, it don't come often now. Say you're sad and I am too, yeah. Late nights in the driveway, I think about what my friends say, how I'm too good to be with you, but losing you would make me blue. You're stuck in